All right, guys, let's talk about the catalog sales marketing objective. This is one of the most unique marketing objectives that Facebook offers because it's one of the few where you can really kind of set it and forget it. Most of the other kind of, marketing objectives take some work, they take some iteration. You kind of have to split test. You have to test, you have to target different interests, different demographics, maybe split test on gender, age, location, a lot of different things until you kind of find the sweet spot where, you're really getting those super, super profitable conversions. Your pixel's getting more and more and more data, which means that your conversion campaigns and all of your different custom audiences and things like that for retargeting are all getting much, much smarter, which means that you're just exploding with profit, right? It's a big iterative kind of snowball process that kind of takes some effort up front. You kind of have to spend money to figure out what your perfect audience is, but catalog sales is actually quite different. So what catalog sales does is it allows you to dynamically so catalog sales and dynamic product ads are kind of synonymous. So when you see me refer to DPAs, right, it means dynamic product ad, and it's kind of another name for catalog sales. So when you set up catalog sales or dynamic product ads, what you're doing is you're saying, okay, so let's say that I have a Shopify store, for example, that has 100 different products. And so it's like, if I wanted to set up, retargeting campaigns so that every time somebody viewed an individual product, right, it could be product number 1, it could be product number 47, it could be product number 96, right? If I have 100 different products, it would take me a ridiculous amount of time to set up all of those campaigns so that I showed retargeting ads to anybody who came and added one of my products to cart but didn't buy it, right? And so what dynamic product ads allow you to do? So much easier. All you have to do is set up, a product display feed, and then you have to just literally set up your which one of your products in your overall collection that you want to actually set up for DPAs. And I'll show you exactly how to do that for your e-commerce store. So don't worry about that. I just want to introduce the concept again. So what this allows you to do is very, very quickly set up a beautifully seamless kind of situation where if somebody, let's say that I have 100 different products, one is a purse, one is a wallet, and one is a pair of shoes, right? So if 3 different people view the purse, the wallet, and the shoes, then what I can do without doing any retargeting of any kind other than my setting up the initial kind of catalog DPAs is Facebook will seamlessly, automatically do something like this, where this person would be browsing this particular purse, and then all of a sudden, dynamically, Facebook would show them an ad for the purse that they just had in their cart, and that is so unbelievably valuable. I can't even describe it. So anyone who has an e-commerce store that doesn't have their catalog sale dynamic product ads set up correctly is leaving literally thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars on the table, because what Facebook does is it dynamically updates these in real time. So if one person viewed a purse, it would show that person a purse immediately, right? That same person, the same purse. If somebody viewed a wallet, it would show that person, that same wallet. And look at how easy it makes it. It brings up the product page here with a shop now, 2 clicks, and they can purchase it directly from their Facebook feed. It is unbelievably valuable, guys. And you can do more advanced things, which we will go over. So you can literally use what's called product variables. And so I can literally say, hey, did you forget to grab your Dooney and Bork, MLB Rockies? You can automatically import the product name of the name of your product from your Shopify store into your ad copy. So not only is it unbelievably targeted, showing that same person, the same exact purse, but you can also call the name of the purse without having to set up 100 different campaigns where you're naming, okay, this is the Dooney and Borg, this is the Studs, this is the Cambridge, this is the Betsy Johnson, right? So it's unbelievably easy and so beautifully simple to do this. And there's some really cool kind of custom combination advanced things that you can do where you can, integrate coupons directly into your copy. You could have, like, for example, a Shopify store-wide coupon where 5 off just saves you, $5 on any purchase. And then the people who actually view this ad will see 5 off in the ad copy, they'll think it's specifically for them because you're already showing them the perfect purse they already viewed and the name of the purse, and then they're going to think that you're giving them specifically a $5 off coupon. And this works like crazy. We've had absolutely enormous results using DPAs in this exact way. And one other thing that I want to talk about for DPAs is you can actually show people the same product they were viewing, or you can show people upsells. And what I mean by that is, let's say that somebody was viewing like a camera on your store, for example, but you wanted to say, okay, every person that sees this camera, I want to show them an ad for the case for the camera. And that is so powerful, guys. It's so unbelievably powerful. You can set up what's called custom combinations with dynamic product ads. And I know this all sounds complicated, but when you see me actually set it up in the later modules, you're going to be like, oh, okay, that makes sense. And then literally you can just follow along, do the exact same things, and it's going to work like an absolute killer for you guys. And so think about how powerful that is. You can, every time you have a product, if you have a horizontally related product like a camera and a camera case, or any combination of things like a microphone and like a microphone like hanging kit or stabilizer, or whatever this is called, or if you're selling a laptop, maybe you want to sell a case for the laptop, or you're selling a phone case and you want to sell like a matching mouse pad, or the combinations are endless. And what you're able to do with custom combinations is show people ads based on their viewing history. So if they view one product, you can show them an ad for something that product needs, like a camera. You show them the perfect camera case that says, hey, we noticed that you ordered your amazing camera. Here's the perfect case that like every power photographer needs to protect their investment, or something like that. And it works like an absolute charm, guys. So that is the product catalog sales or dynamic product ads marketing objective. We will get super in depth on that one because it is so important. And guys, the beautiful part about it is once you set it up once, it kind of just operates in the background dynamically, showing all of these people perfectly targeted ads of what they just viewed or products that are related to what they just viewed. So I hope you guys enjoy that one, guys, and let's get to the next.